Well, today's spark that got investors' pulses going a bit faster was Challenger Financial Group, up 14% on a decent lift in half-year profit, but more importantly, an increase in guidance for the full year. On the other hand, Cochlear disappointed with its results today, while JB Hi-Fi lost a fair bit of yesterday's big gain after its half-year result. The market as a whole closed 0.5% higher after a rise in New York last night and quite solid gains around Asia today, despite the coronavirus. Here's a perspective on where our market sits in relation to America's. It's a graph of the All Ordinaries Index as a percentage of the US S&P 500. Now, in the first decade of the century, the Australian market rose relative to the US because the dot-com bubble burst in 2000, and resources stocks did well because of China. After the GFC, it was the other way around. The American tech stocks took off, and miners and banks in Australia languished. But in the past 2 years, the relationship has stayed basically level. Today's economic data were housing loans in December, and the borrowing boom is back. It was the biggest rise in owner-occupier loans in 5 years. And lending to first home buyers is the highest it's been for decades, and is back to 23% of all loans. And guess when this cycle began? At the same time as last year's election, which possibly goes to show how important negative gearing is to everyone, considering that owner-occupiers are driving the market at the moment, not investors. Iron ore and oil fell on commodity markets along with aluminium, while gold went up again, and the Australian dollar is trading around where it was last night, 67.1 US cents. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there, and don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.